What a story. We are under a severe weather alert today as we continue to track an unfortunately timed storm here, one that's likely to bring some power outages, wind damage, and flooding concerns to southeastern New England. Not for today, but for very late tonight and through Christmas Day. Right now, Newport's looking just fine this morning. It's already in the 40s in Newport right now and going to be warming up everywhere into the 50s this afternoon. Our threat tracker is in the green for today, but tonight and on Christmas Day, we are expecting high impact weather, especially again, well after midnight tonight and through the first half of the day on Christmas. We're under a high wind warning. We've got a flood watch in effect. We're talking about the potential for gusts over 60 miles per hour, 1 to 3 inches of rain expected, and the strongest of the winds expected to be between about 5 a.m. and 11 a.m. in the morning. Once the front clears the area, the winds really become a fraction of what they are in the early morning hours. So something to watch for as far as the timing goes of that. Wind damage, outages, flooding, all expected to be significant. Looking at our live radar here this morning, this is the front that's going to be pushing east and delivering all of that severe weather. We are dry right now, though, and we stay dry today. So if you've got errands to run this morning, not expecting any weather-related issues. In fact, the winds are calm. The temperatures at the coast, as I mentioned, already into the 40s in Newport Westerly. Block Island's nearly to 50. Hyannis has jumped to 45. Providence, 29. Smithfield, you're in the upper 30s. The warm air winds out, so by 8 o'clock in the morning, lower 40s with some sunshine. We will see increasing clouds as the day goes on, middle 50s at noon, and the temperatures in the afternoon holding around the lower and middle 50s. So a mild day. Winds will start to pick up. We'll be seeing some wind gusts by the end of the afternoon and evening, 35 and then eventually 40, 45 miles per hour. And tonight, starting to see those gusts over 50. So we do have that rain moving in as the night rolls on. The temperatures staying very mild, even rising a few degrees into the upper 50s to near 60 overnight tonight. So here's the forecast for tonight. Early on in the evening, a couple of lighter showers, some drizzle and some fog. That's the concern for any Christmas Eve evening travels you might have. It's not until after midnight again that heavy rain starts to move in, and here it is pushing across the area Christmas morning with temperatures near 60 degrees. Still widespread rain at noon, so this part of it is slowed down a little bit. Instead of clearing out with drier weather for the afternoon, it's now looking like it may rain well into the afternoon before gradually ending from west to east during the late day and evening hours. So by that point, the temperatures have cooled by 8 o'clock in the evening back into the 40s. Let's talk about the winds tonight. 11 o'clock at night, gusting 40 to 50 miles per hour. After midnight into those early Friday morning hours before the sun comes up, 50 to 60 miles per hour. Again, early tomorrow morning, these wind gusts will likely be uprooting some trees, leading to power outages, wind damage concerns through at least the late morning hours. And then notice by lunchtime, the winds are not nearly as strong. Here's a look at those forecast rainfall totals, anywhere between 1 and 3 inches of rain expected. Here's the 7-day forecast, going from the middle 50s today in the afternoon to 60 early tomorrow morning. And then 54 still at lunchtime with the rain continuing. 5 o'clock in the evening drying out, temperatures in the upper 40s. We do have to watch for some icy spots early Saturday morning. Any dampness that's left on the roads will have a chance to freeze up. It's going to be much colder for the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Late rain shower on Monday. Looking ahead to New Year's Eve, could be another storm system coming through. That one right now looking like a rainmaker as well.